Namaskar and good evening. Today we will talk about MINDA Industries, an automobile component manufacturing company belonging to MINDA Group of Nirmal K. Minda. Nirmal K. Minda is the chairman and managing director. Let us see from his words what MINDA Industries is doing latest. He says, we have almost completed the group consolidation exercise and have made significant investment in Gujarat to drive further future growth. So they are focusing on Gujarat. They have made significant investments in Gujarat. And they have announced acquisition of ISIS RTS Germany. This is at the core of our controller strategy, as we are likely to see spurt in demand for such products. It's a German company manufacturing electronic controllers that has been acquired by MINDA Industries. Now, what is the strategy for growth? So, broad guidelines he is indicating here. So, we will increase localization and substitution of imports. So the company has already localized more than 20 components over the last 2 decades. Among the recent ones which are localized are alloy wheel, airbag and reverse parking system. So there are more products in the pipeline like BS6 sensors and some controllers, key controllers. Second, premiumization. The Indian automobile market is undergoing premiumization of vehicles, and MINDA is poised to strongly benefit from this premiumization. LEDs, infotainment systems, wireless chargers, telematics, all this will benefit very strongly from this premiumization. Then, electronification and EVs. MINDA has set up a research, engineering and advanced technologies group called CREATE to focus on cockpit electronics, controllers, sensors and EV technologies. Then enhanced safety and regulatory norms. Now this BS6 is expected to be implemented by 2020, that is next year. It will benefit MINDA Industries as it is already with products which are likely to see strong demand like airbags, crank sensors, filtration solutions, among others. Firstly, the company develops, manufactures and supplies components, parts and systems across all the mobile sectors. Now, this company manufactures two-wheeler, three-wheeler, four-wheeler and off-highway vehicle component parts. Not vehicles, but component parts, significant component parts. Second, its diversified product portfolio base allows it to develop multiple components for a single model. Number of components, systems actually. So there is an interdependence between the customer, who is usually a OEM, and this company. So the company gets associated with the OEMs at a very early stage to develop new models. The company has a strong R&D ability along with the engineering base to develop top-of-the-line components for the OEMs. Thirdly, besides components, the company builds a robust supply chain right from developing a component to delivering a complete system. It supports the OEMs with great success. Then, because of all these things, it develops strong relationships with our joint venture partners and associates who are technology leaders across the globe in their respective fields. In 2017-18, the company has demonstrated very considerable progress both in the top line and in the bottom line. Top line was 32%, bottom line was 55%. Very impressive. New products like alloy wheels, RPAs, airbags, and infotainment will be the key enabler to improve the margins further. Already margins are reasonably good, but they want to improve the margins further. So the group is focused on improving the return on capital employed (ROCE) and enhance shareholder value creation, like that. Now, international business is currently around 16%. It wants to increase it to 25%. So for that reason only, it has acquired ISIS RTS of Germany. Now, electric vehicles is a new market disruptor. They are coming, they are increasing, and MINDA Industries is trying to map all its existing products in respect of the electronic vehicles. So, what are the priorities? One of the priorities is to invest in contemporary technologies and focus on R&D and work with the best people. Then build a human capital for that, because technology requires human capital. Now it has brought out an investor presentation in March 2019. Let us see a few aspects of that. Between Q3 FY18 and Q3 FY19, revenue has grown from 1056 crores to 1470 crores. That is an increase of 39%. 1056 crores to 1470 crores. Increase is 39%. EBITDA has increased from 126 crores to 180 crores, an increase of 43%. Profit after tax has increased from 61 crores to 79 crores, an improvement of 30%. EBITDA margin has increased from 12% to 12.3%. Profit after tax stays around the same, 5.7%, 5.4%. MINDA Industries has got 4 divisions: switches, lighting, acoustics, others. So their share in the revenue is switches 36.3%, so that is the biggest, lighting 22.3%, acoustics 11.4%, others are 29.3%. Currently the borrowings are around 240 crores, but it goes on varying slightly. Now, what are the new projects planned? So, two-wheelers alloy wheels. A new project for alloy wheel has been approved to be set up for two-wheeler OEMs. It will be in Maharashtra. The expected outlay for the first phase is 300 crores. The first line is targeted to achieve SOP by the end of 2019-20. The capacity will be 3 lakh wheels per month. It is an import substitution opportunity. Currently 60% of the requirement is imported. So once this MINDA Industries starts manufacturing, it will replace the imports. Now imports are also not attractive due to a 15% import duty and the appreciating US dollar. Localization also improves reliability. The next one is controller and telematics. A new project for controller and telematics for a total outlay of 80 crores over the next 12 months. This will be a business division of MINDA Industries Limited and will operate in tandem with ISIS to maximize synergies. Expected to be commissioned by the end of 2019-20. Actually, notification making the AIS 140 regulation mandatory for all public transport and commercial vehicles has been advanced by 3 months. That is with effect from 1st January 2019. Now the controllers will witness increasing demand with the rise in electronic content and premiumization. Now, latest what it has done is TVS Group has got Harita Seating Systems, one company. It is a listed company. Minda Industries is going for a merger with Harita Seating Systems. So Harita Seating Systems, as the name indicates, goes in for complete seating solutions and cable seating for commercial vehicles, tractors, and others. It has got about 12 plants. It has a joint venture partner, Fahrer of Germany. It has got revenues of 790 crores to 995 crores, profit after tax of 28 crores to 38 crores, enterprise value of 401 crores net of cash, value per share was 484 rupees. Now the swap ratio will be something like 1.5:1. There are two options are given, but basically this is it. Now the product synergies are there. Minda Industries Limited will have a very broad product portfolio and help leverage the deep R&D capabilities which are already with Minda Industries. It improves realization per vehicle. So a whole kit can be given, including seating systems. Customer synergies. Wherever Harita system is, wherever Minda system is, in every place the whole kit value will improve. The technology partner, Fahrer Germany, will develop and grow various segments. Cost synergies will be there. Sales channel synergies will be there. Strategic locations are there. So, and anyway, it is a value accretive acquisition. So, Minda Industries is on the growth path. The automobile, its future depends upon the future of the automobile industry growth. Right now, there is a deceleration in Maruti and others, but the OEM market plus replacement market together is a huge market, and it is expected that the Minda Industries will have its growth cut out to various systems, electronic systems, safety systems, etc. Therefore, Minda Industries expects a bright future. At present, its profit margins are reasonably good, and it expects to improve its margins. It is growing. Therefore, it appears to be worthy buy for people. But you please listen 2 or 3 times to my video. Presently, Maruti has cut down its vehicular numbers, etc. And Bajaj also is not having any growth prospects. That may be for the current year, but it may grow next year. We don't know. So anyway, the future of Minda is linked with the future of the automobile industries. But it is in a good position. Minda Industries is in a good position. It is replacing the imports also. Therefore, its market can grow. Even if the overall automobile market comes down, the market of Minda Industries can still be growing to a certain extent. Thank you for listening. I will come up before you with another good company. Minda Industries is a good company on the growth path and likely, and it wants to grow into the foreign soil also. Therefore, keep an eye on Minda Industries and make your investments as a long-term investor. I always focus on long-term investors. They only will make good money, not the short-term investors. Thank you for listening.